Summer is here, and so are bean salads. So I make a lot of bean salads throughout the summer and pair them with things like leftover grains or potatoes in the Instant Pot, or just some bread with cashew cheese. Like, there's lots of things you can do without turning on the stove or the oven. And this one is very popular. It's my 3-bean salad that came out in Let Them Eat Vegan in 2011. So it's been around a while and people love it. I decided to add some finely shredded black cabbage to it tonight, and I like this idea, so give that a try. The recipe is on my site. You don't have to go by the book. I'll add the link in the description so that you can make this recipe. It also refrigerates really nicely for a couple of days. So go try out my 3-bean salad.